Google's all-new Pixel 8 Pro smartphone has finally been formally unveiled. But how does it stack up against Apple's premium iPhone 15 Pro Max? Considering we're talking about some of the best phones around, Google's Pixel 8 Pro has just been officially revealed, so you won't have to wait long to get your hands on one. Pricing starts off at $999 for the 128GB base model and goes up from there all the way to a meaty 1TB version. Apple's iPhone 15 Pro Max can be found at your favorite retailer of choice, and the Pro Max starts off at $1,100 for the base 256GB model. You can have up to 1TB of storage if you'd prefer, but expect to pay more for the privilege. These flagship phones are some of the most expensive money can buy, so if you're looking for cheap, look elsewhere. That being said, you can save by opting for the Pixel 8 Pro over the iPhone 15 Pro Max if you've got a particular budget you're working with. Both the Pixel 8 Pro and the iPhone 15 Pro Max feature similar designs to their predecessors, with the exception of a few subtle changes. The Pixel 8 Pro has more pronounced rounded edges and a single camera cutout, while the iPhone 15 Pro Max has a titanium frame instead of stainless steel. Overall, the design differences between the two phones are minor and come down to personal preference. The Pixel 8 Pro is expected to feature Google's Tensor G3 chip, which should offer a meaningful upgrade over the G2. However, we will need to get our hands on the Pixel 8 Pro to run it through its paces before we can give you benchmarks and a full evaluation of its performance. The iPhone 15 Pro Max, on the other hand, features Apple's A17 Pro chip, which is reportedly astonishingly powerful. Every year, Apple Silicon offers up the most power you can get out of a smartphone, and the iPhone 15 Pro Max is no different. In reviews, the iPhone 15 Pro Max has been called ridiculously powerful and has had no trouble playing games, multitasking, video editing. If you need the most power, though, or want to run the most demanding games at the highest frame rates, the Pro Max is your best bet. In terms of software, both the latest versions of iOS and Android are mature, capable, and full-featured smartphone operating systems that can handle just about anything you throw at them. In general, if you're looking for the most customization, Android is your best bet, but if you want the most seamless experience, iOS is the way to go. However, both are great choices. Both the Google Pixel 8 Pro and the iPhone 15 Pro Max have impressive camera systems, but the Pixel 8 Pro may have a slight edge. The Pixel 8 Pro has a higher resolution main sensor and a telephoto lens with autofocus, while the iPhone 15 Pro Max has a periscope telephoto lens with a longer zoom range. In our review of the iPhone 15 Pro Max, we were impressed by its camera system, but we still found that the very best smartphone cameras could be found in phones from manufacturers like Huawei or Xiaomi. It remains to be seen how the Pixel 8 Pro will perform in our tests, but it has the potential to be one of the best smartphone cameras on the market. If you're looking for a smartphone capable of taking beautiful pictures and recording high-quality video, neither the iPhone 15 Pro Max nor the Pixel 8 Pro are likely to come anywhere near disappointing you. However, the biggest difference here comes down to performance. When you're spending $1,000 or more on a phone, we think you deserve some seriously capable hardware, and in that respect, there's just no comparison with the A17 Pro chip inside the iPhone. So, what you will buy now? And what is the big reason to choose this phone? Tell us in the comments below. And don't forget to smash the like button for more content like this. We'll see you in the next one.